Yeah. With the knowledge, the page of history shall be refurbished in different forms, shapes, and patterns for educational purpose. The white man bought trading ports in the jungles of that continent. So Cape Coast Castle, where Africans were being held to become slaves, to do the knowledge, or do your history. See? Cape Coast Castle was the slave dungeon in a Ghana with different tribes, sold other tribes to the Christians. It was the transport route above the castle of the heavenly church. Below was held Africans in a chain. We go through the door, no return. The year of return, like a visit Ghana, enter the door of return in a Cape Coast Castle. From the door of the return, they aboard the slave ships to the Americas and to Europe. The first ship sailed, the good ship Jesus to the Caribbean. Then the slave makers forced them to be slaves by killing a culture from 1555 to 1619. Every slave told English, then they sent the first group to Jamestown, Virginia. That is where black Americans started from. And the plantations, they became Christian. Doing hard labor, they laid the foundation. Building the White House. To as a monument, the workforce to work. The year of return, I go visit Ghana. Pull up.